In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox Game Client is not responding. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to open up your computer search for Roblox player or just Roblox, right click on it, open file location. Here again, we will right click on the Roblox player and we will show more options. And again, you want to open the file location. Now, right here, you will right click on Roblox Player Beta, show more options, properties, and you want to go to the compatibility tab and select these three options. Compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode 4, leave this as Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK. Afterwards, right here, before you close this folder, you will just click on the bar and you want to right click and copy this path. Once you have copied this path, we can proceed to the second method, which will be searching for graphics, and you want to click on graphics settings. Right here, you will search this list for Roblox. If you see it, great. If you don't, we will click on add desktop app, and here we will just paste the path which we copied and press enter. Now you want to select Roblox Player Beta, add, and you will then search for Roblox. This is going to make it pop up. Then expand this and GPU preference, set this to high performance. This is going to use your graphics card if you have one. It is usually going to be let Windows decide. You want to set this to high performance. If that doesn't work, the last thing that I suggest doing is searching for add or remove programs. And basically we are going to reinstall Roblox. So you want to search for Roblox, click on the three dots, then you will uninstall it. That is going to remove it from your PC. And then you can just click on any game here. Oops. You can click on any game here which you want and play. And then you will reinstall the Roblox client. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.